let's do a bit of crystal balling to finish. Two or three things you're watching for the rest of 2026. Oh, you can't say Suez opening because I've been doing that story for so long now.
I'm personally a believer that Suez is going to take a long time before that happens. So I'm not even going to say it, but I personally don't think Suez will open much before the end of the year. People travel their toes. I think there is a supply chain. There's a sort of equilibrium here at the moment that everybody's broadly happy with. It's gone much smoother than anybody expected. It's allowed supply chains to stretch a little. Okay, there's a higher inventory cost having them on the sea, but there is a certainty to that trade that people won't want to undermine unless it really, there's absolute guarantees. But to me, the big thing this year, and this is what's going to drive global growth if it continues at 3 or 4, above the 4%, is this continued drive in sub-Saharan Africa and South America. And I think the big question for me is, will consumer demand be hit by the oil price? Has that gone on long enough? If there's peace in the Middle East, will oil prices come down? If they don't, and we have 6 months of oil prices high and it starts to affect consumer demand, I think we're going to see a drop off in latter part of Q3 and Q4. But if the growth in the container market will be in those areas, it's not going to be Transpac, and it will be less so in the European imports.